Welcome to Wickerson Studios. It's been a interesting Sunday. I'm very excited to say that I have managed to run in Flask a dynamic geometry that runs to a server. And so this is a pretty interesting thing. I'm not going to slide it through because it is asking it to do quite a bit, but let's take our edit and let's just pull this down to a nice 5 number. It will update, which is nice. Just let that click in, and there you go. You've updated to 5 of these forms. You may want to make them stringy, like a nice little string bean. So let's do that, and give that a second to load. And there you go. Actually, that changed the P, which was the big one. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to change this data down here to like 3. That will make a spaghetti. But this is incredible 3.js using an index HTML and a Py app to run in an environment. And I am finally onto something that I think is totally what I'm into. So you can see down here we've got a script here that's doing quite a bit of magic. It took me a little bit of time to move from flat graphics into 3D graphics and maintain the parametric nature of the Grasshopper node. But this one runs pretty darn fast, so hats off to 3.js. If anybody wants live animations being generated from Grasshopper instead of into the Rhino environment, the only thing I've yet to do is to figure out how to bring these to a public server, a public browser. And I think the tool that I'm thinking of working with, if you just give me a second, I just have to think about it. It was called Netify, I think that's what it was. Luckily my wife is a wonderful, beautiful front-end type person, so I think I should have no problem bringing that in. But I do love this. It is very exciting. Let's take this up and crank this right to 20 string beans. And there you go. What a beautiful animation. This will definitely be applying for the Digital Dream KC Gallery, and hopefully I will make endless animations. It's really been a wonderful week outside of being sick on early in the weekend, but this Sunday things finally started to come together. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Michael Wickerson at Wickerson Studios. I will make these available. This last one in time, I just want to figure out how I can bring it to a general server. But take a look at wickersonstudios.com. All my other repos from anything before this year are open source on GitHub. All my YouTube videos are available for people to learn. I'm not the best person at giving tutorials online. I'm better to meet in person and kind of study this stuff or meet up on definitely forums. My YouTube videos are not that instructional. They're more just showing what's happening. I can always go into the, which is interesting, I can always go over to the JS app, and I can start playing with timing here. So I'm just going to slow this down, put this down to 0001 on the variable time date now, and we'll save that, and I think it will kick in. After an update, you'll just see this slows down by 1/3. Next click, it should go a little slower. And it's hard to tell, but I think it did. I might have to refresh to do that. Oh no! No. What happened? Oh, I probably pulled my time out too much. Wouldn't that be terrible if I did that? Let me go back into here, time, save, and see if I can't get it back up and running. Oh, horrible that it went out on me. Okay, I'll have to find out what the issue is. I get a 404. Well, that's how the cookie crumbles. Thanks for watching.